flying hour. That's right, sir. Every hour the airplane flies, it takes 20 hours off the ground to maintain the airplane. There it is up here for fun on the right-hand side of our airshow box this afternoon. The Boeing warranty assures that these figures will met and are met. They're C-17, again, from McGuire Airport Space. The Globemaster III. They've got the flap stand, they've got the gear gun, got everything hanging out slow down the airplane. That's a nice slow-speed pad. That's primary function of the cargo troop transport airplane. Boeing, company built and manufactured airplane for us. It's got four Pratt with the F-117 PW100 turbofan engine. Each one I'm cranking out 40,400 pounds of thrust. That wingspan from tip to tip, those big wiggers hanging out there, that's 169 feet, 10 inches, just about to have 174 wingspan. And you look at those winglets, those things on the tip of the wings that turn up, they are 9 feet tall. That gives you a size reference how big this airplane actually is. Each winglet is 9 feet tall. It's 55 feet from the ground to the top of that T-tail on that airplane. It has global mobility with mid-air refueling the airplane so they can fly around the world non-stop and never put the gear out. It can carry 102 troops and paratroopers, 36 liters for 54 ambulatory patients. It can carry 170,000 pounds of cargo on board the airplane. McGuire Air Force Base, the 6th Airlift Squadron, their 305th Air Mobility Wing Force today. We're going to go on break about now. We're going to get a couple Spirit airplanes in and out for us this afternoon. Back about 1:30 for you. Hope to get Mother Nature lift and get more airplanes to the air for you today. So thanks for sticking around for us. We got more coming.